love risotto? I love risotto. It's one of my favorite pastas. It's a little tiny pasta that almost looks like rice. Maybe that's why it's called risotto. I'm not sure. But it has 40 grams of carbs per cup. So it's not been on my menu item 20 years now. However, cauliflower can mimic risotto exactly. We were at a hotel this weekend in Palm Desert and they served cauliflower risotto. I had never thought of doing it. It tasted so good that I came home and researched it, and now I'm making it, and I thought I'd take you along for the ride. Chop up the onion and saute it in the oil and butter mixture. Alternatively, you can use a shallot. I'm gonna chop it really fine. I have recipes in my link tree for cauliflower rice. I think that one's done Mexican style, but you can do it any style. I also have a recipe for cauliflower potato salad. You would never know that the cauliflower wasn't potatoes. And I've also done cauliflower ceviche. Believe it or not, it tastes like fish ceviche. I'm gonna do a video on that next. But my onions are chopped up and I'm gonna put them in the pan and get them sauteing. While they're sauteing, I'm going to chop up my fresh flat leaf Italian parsley, pilfered from my neighbor. She's got the best herbs. I don't know how she does it. Every time I try to plant and grow herbs, they die. She's got a very green thumb. It's gonna go on the top at the end. Next, I'm gonna add my all-time favorite garlic. It's from Trader Joe's and it's frozen. And they are little boxes, and each box is a full garlic clove. You will always have garlic on hand and you never have to chop it. And there's nothing else in here but garlic. I've tried the canned and the jarred garlic. I can always taste a weird preservative. So this one is wonderful. I'm gonna put 3 cloves in there. Another wonderful frozen product from Trader Joe's is their organic riced cauliflower. It's very difficult to rice your own cauliflower. You have to use a food processor and it gets everywhere. This is at the ready in the freezer. It's only a couple dollars at Trader Joe's. And we're gonna make a whole meal with it. So I'm gonna put this in with my butter, onion, and garlic. Now for some salt and pepper. The next thing I'm gonna put in it is the 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. It's a salt-free seasoner. My butter was also unsalted, so I did put quite a bit of salt in here, but I'm gonna put Parmesan cheese in here, so I didn't put too much. And a crushed red pepper, Trader Joe's, go figure. So I'm gonna put some of this in there as well. At this point, you could make your risotto any flavored. You could put some truffle mushrooms in there. You could, any way that you would flavor any other pasta, you could flavor it now. I'm just gonna do a really simple, creamy Parmesan risotto. Put the lid on it, turn it down to medium-low, and let it just cook through. If you did go to the trouble to rice your own cauliflower, you would skip this step of letting it cook. I'm just trying to cook it down because it was frozen. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice to the pan, just to, acidity will brighten up the flavor of the cauliflower. Be a nice contrast to the cream that I'm gonna put next. I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup of cream. Cook your cauliflower down to where it doesn't have any of the crunchiness that cauliflower does, because risotto wouldn't have any crunchiness. Cauliflower has cooked down and it's soft. There isn't any crunch to it when I bite into it. Now I'll pour some Parmesan cheese over it and we'll be good to go. Next, I'll top it with parsley and I'll show you how it looks. Look at it, and it tastes divine. Only 4 net grams of carb per serving. Regular risotto has 40 net carbs per serving. Why would you ever want to eat it when you can eat this and stay skinny and sexy and healthy? Thanks for watching.